Okay, so we're going to do a Hungarian algorithm. On this to work out what our minimum cost is. We have 3 people that need to do 4 people to do 4 different deliveries. And we need to minimize the cost of the total deliveries. Now we have a series of steps that we're going to work our way through, and you can find a copy of this on Connect. So first step, step 1, and I'm just going to do that to show it's step 1, is we need to write out our cost matrix. And what that is, it's just the numbers, no dollar symbols, so no unit symbols. 100. And we use our matrix signs there. So we have our cost matrix. So this is called a cost matrix. And that's step 1. Now in step 2, what we're going to do, so I'm going to do step 2 here as well, is we're going to look in each row. And in each row we're going to identify the smallest number. So that's 100. In this row the smallest number is 110. In this row the smallest number is 90. And in this row it's 120. So we're working in our rows. And what we're now going to do is we're going to subtract the smallest number from every number in that row. And we're going to write a new matrix for it. So 250 minus 100 is 150. 100 minus 100 is 0. 140 minus 100 is 40. 120, take away 100 is 20. Now we're going to look in the next row, this row here. So it'll be 220, take away 110, which is 110, 0. 150, take away 110 is 40. 110, take away 110 is 0. Now we're working in this row here. 220 minus 90 will be 130. 90 minus 90, 0. 160 minus 90, 70. 130 minus 90 is 40. Our last row now, I'm going to take away 120 from all 4 numbers. That'll be 140. That will be 20, 50 and 0. That's step 2 complete. We're now going to do step 3. And in step 3, we're going to look in each column. And we're going to look in each column and we're going to find the smallest number in each column. And we're going to subtract this number from all the numbers in the column. So 150 minus 110 is 40, 0, 20, 30. Take away 0 from all of these numbers, so they remain unchanged. Take away 40, 0, 0, 30, 10. Take away 20. Oops, I've made a mistake there. It's not 20. The smallest number there is 0. We can't end up with negatives. So this column remains unchanged. We're now going to do step number 4. And in step number 4, we need to draw the minimum number of lines. So what we've got to try and do is we've got to try and cover up all of our zeros. Okay, I'll just use a pencil this time. So there, 3, and I've got one over here, so I'll go this way. Okay. I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 lines is the same as 4 columns. So I am finished. Okay. Now I need to allocate, I'll use a different colour for allocating, the jobs. So I need to look in each row and column, and if there's only 1 0, then that person gets the job. So in this column, that's our only 0. And in this row, that's our only 0. And in this row, that's our only 0. Which means the only one left unallocated is here. So what that means is, this is A, B, C, D, delivery 1, delivery 2, delivery 3, delivery 4. To finish off the question, we need to do 2 things. We need to allocate the jobs, and we need to work out the total cost. So allocate. So this was firm, I-R-M, A gets given delivery 3. Firm B will get delivery 1. Firm C will get delivery 2. And firm D will get delivery 4. Now the cost of that, if we go back up to the beginning here, the ones that have been allocated is A got 3, B got 1, C got 2, and D got 4. So my total cost will be 140. That's A doing 3, plus 220, plus, oh, come on pen, 90 plus 120. And if we add all of those up, plus 220 plus 90 plus 120, the total cost is $570, which is the minimum cost to complete the job.